loves tattoos. And we are at this, it's called the Jaipur Mehndi Artist. He's getting a tiger tattoo, and that's Ayush. And this place is it's pretty nice and reasonable. For $100 you get this thing. This is how they do it. So this is how they do a tattoo. Take a look at it. It's pretty interesting. I've probably the first time I'm getting a recording done here. This is at Forum Hall, and very sincere, nice, nice. This is how it looks from a distance. Ayush, how does it feel ticklish? No, doesn't feel ticklish. Color red. But this is fascinating. So this is what it is, and he's having an ice cream also. Actually, during lockdown, we are not supposed to be enjoying like this, but it just feels nice. It's a special Monday evening. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.